Father. Wow. Good to see you, Father.
Yes.
Whoa.
Oh, welcome. Oh, my dear daughter-in-law. Looking as fit as Peter. Yeah, welcome. Come on, son.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's my brave grandson. How are you? Good. Son. Yes, I hope you had a good flight.
Oh, yes, Father. Our trip was wonderful. Actually, we're glad to be back home.
Yes, we are.
Yes, there is nothing like home. Even my father used to tell me that. Nothing like home. Come on, we'll go inside.
Aha, Father. I noticed a lot of changes while we were coming back home.
Everywhere looks so different.
Yes, a lot of changes. I was just telling my wife, this can only be the handwork of an industrious king.
You can say that again, son. You know the porcupine, he may not have a gun, but it's a terrific hunter. Hey, we go inside,
Okay, and Mother?
Mother is inside.
That's my
here
son.
she comes then.
That's it. Good to see you. You look good.
Thank you, Mother.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My beautiful daughter-in-law. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I can see that. That's my grand. Come on, boy. Wow, such a big boy now.
And how is your health, Mother?
My son, you can see I'm looking very good. My husband took very good care of me.
I trust him. I've always known him to be a very good and caring father and husband.
You can say that again.
Oh yes, why not? I would know how to take care of my wife.
You can say that again. Okay, she come in, welcome.
Oh, this is a glorious day. Come on, baby.
You know, Father,
that festival is just a few months from now.
Well, that would be nice, Father. I'm very glad because I cannot wait to witness that festival for the very first time in my life.
That's a big one. Also so festival. Big festival. Especially for the gods. That's why everything is done according to the dictates of the gods.
But, Father, I would like to know, why is it done every 4 decades, unlike other festivals in our kingdom?
Eat your food. That one is confidential. Females are not supposed to know about that one.
Who cares?
That's the tradition. There are things we don't share with our...
Anyway, I'm not bothered. All that I'm bothered about now is for Francis and Cassandra to give me a second grandchild.
Mother, it's not late yet.
It is my son. Michael is all grown now. Give me a second grandchild.
We're working towards it.
Put more effort. That's just all that I'm bothered about. Cassandra, I hope you're part of this discussion. Yes, ma'am. Do something about it. Anyway, I'm not bothered. All that I'm bothered about now is for Francis and Cassandra to give me a second grandchild.
Mother, it's not late yet.
It is my son. Michael is all grown now. Give me a second grandchild.
We're working towards it.
Put more effort. That's just all that I'm bothered about.
Hello? Oh yes, I just landed. I'm in Nigeria now. It's not easy. I just left the airport. I'm heading straight to my village. It's good to be home. Okay, see you. Wow, home sweet home. Mama? Mama? Mama, it's me.
Mama.
Mama. Mama, how are you?
Look at you. Fine. You're back.
Yes, Mama. I'm back.
Tell us.
Mama, where is Papa?
He's inside. Papa, Konise! Your son is back, oh! Hey, brother!
How are you?
I'm fine, brother.
Papa?
Papa, see your son is back.
Hey, brother, welcome.
Colin.
Papa.
Colin, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Now, so you decided to give us a surprise return, eh? Yes. Oh, my dear. Hey.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yes.
Hey, give me your... Hey, brother.
Look at that. Look at you. Where are his things?
I'm with it, yes.
Are you sure you
Brother?
brought
You're
everything?
welcome.
You didn't leave anyone. Okay, bye. Hey, my son.
Mama, come and help me. I'm carrying his bag.
Let's go.
Brother, see, you take me to America so that that girl that used to insult me, Chacha and Precious, when I come back, they'll respect me.
Hi, Charity. Mama. You want to go to America? You will finish your studies first.
Charity,
Brother.
that is no problem. But that will be after you must have acquired your first degree.
Now, listen very carefully, Charity.
Papa.
If I were you, I would take my studies very seriously.
Oh.
Look at your brother here. He's ready to take you to anywhere. He's ready to do anything for you so that you can be useful tomorrow. Okay?
Onyogia. Auntie Obodo Igbo.
Papa?
My dear.
I'll be starting work here by next week.
Ewo?
Yes, I'll be starting the project of a new building.
Hi!
This one will be demolished.
You mean you are going to bring this house down?
Yes, Papa, I will.
No. No, wait. Right? Wait for some time so you accumulate money. Because, just wait. You can't just do it just like that.
Abi?
My son, the father is right. Let us wait. We are not in a hurry to leave this house.
Yes.
Eh? We are not in a hurry. I believe that God's time is the best. Go enough money to start from foundation. Then we can pack in.
Papa, as a matter of fact, before I left London, I bought a house in the city through my friend who is a real estate manager.
Hey! Hey!
Yeah, so all of us will be staying there while the projects go on.
Immediately. Hey!
God has really blessed him.
My daughter, I can't stop thanking God for what he has done for me and my family. Hey! Take a look at this beautiful house. Hey! I can't imagine me living in a fine house, big house like this. Ha! God is good indeed.
Mama, me too. Imagine me in this big house. Mama, God is wonderful.
God, my daughter, God is good. God has answered our prayer. Hey! Come and see her.
Are you still dancing?
Brother?
Yes, oh my son. God is good. He did not let me down as my enemies anticipated. Hi!
Oh yes, Mama, the Lord is good. But you can't go on dancing all day.
He says it. I will continue to dance to the glory of the Almighty God for what he has done for me. I will dance. What is wrong in dancing? I will dance forever. Hi!
Alright, Mama. Alright. Mama, let me quickly run down to the village to see how Papa is doing at the site.
Hey.
Charity.
Okay, my son.
Take care of Mama, okay?
Okay, brother.
My son, go well. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen, Mama.
Amen.
See, what they know for me. Go and see.
Mama.
No, sit down there.
Wait a minute. Is this not Tina?
Come on.
Let me check if she's online. Oh, damn it! She's not. Always come. Engineer. Hello, engineer. Oh, you want to see me? Okay. I'll be on my way right away. Just tell my father to wait for me. I'm coming. Immediately. Huh? Okay.
Goddess, are you going out?
Yes, Mama. The engineer just called me that my attention is needed in the village. So let me hurry to meet them up.
Hey, before I forget, we will be having a visitor here tomorrow.
A visitor?
Yes.
Okay, Mama, let's talk about it when I come back, okay?
But you...
Mama, let's talk about it when I'm back, please. Thank you.
Your Highness, provided the kola nut does not prove deceptive, the alligator pepper will also be dependable. Let us not jump into conclusion yet until we hear from the people of Umoetiti.
Greetings, Your Highness. The great Ejike one. In support of what Ejike has said, let us send delegates to Umoetiti and find out from their Igwe why they should encroach into our land. After that, we will know what to do. Igwe
Ochendu one.
Ikeze
And Okoli are here. They have spoken very, very well. We all here are all aware of the cordiality that has been existing between this kingdom and that of Umoetiti.
Igwe,
let me ask, why this sudden encroachment into our land? Why?
Igwe.
But let me also advise, we must not fold our hands over this matter.
Igwe,
we must do something and do it very, very fast.
right.
Ekuchamo. Elders,
Igwe.
I thank you all. You've spoken well, and I appreciate your various contributions. Umoetiti has been a good neighbor to us, but that doesn't mean that we're going to fold our arms and watch things get out of hand. Communicate with other cabinet members. We shall meet here tomorrow and decide what to do next.
In that case, Igwe should be on our way now. Okay, Igwe.
Charity, please take the things inside. I will soon be with you. Let me check if I can be lucky. 59 is on the line today. soon be with you. Hello, Tina. Hello, Tina. How are you? I'm fine. Gosh. Why would my subscription finish now? Oh, God. Why would you end now? I think I have to recharge.
I hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
Please do feel very comfortable, eh?
Okay, ma.
My son will soon be back.
Okay, ma.
Your drink?
Yeah.
Like it? Oh, it's back. Collins, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
She's Favor.
Favor, you're welcome.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Mama, I'll go, please.
Don't worry, eh? Just relax, eh? You'll still see him.
Okay, ma.
Message. Hello, Collins, it's me, Tina. Please contact me through this phone number so that we can talk. Good night. Okay. Come in.
Collins. Collins.
Yes, Mama.
You have been busy with this phone all day. What is it?
Yes, Mama. I have been chatting with my friends. You should know now.
I waited for you to come down to meet our visitor, but I didn't see you. Why?
Mama, I never knew you needed my presence.
Collins.
Yes. Okay. Wish.
She's Favor. Her name is Favor. The girl I told you that is from a God-fearing family. Her parents are very nice, very religious, and she's a nice girl. She is well brought up. I like her so much. I want you to marry her. I know she will make a good wife for my son.
Mama, you seem to be in a hurry to have a daughter-in-law. Why?
What are we waiting for? Are you in a chendocha? Yeah! Bikokwa, I want my son to get married and start having children. I need grandchildren. Not one, no, children. You are a very rich man now. So what are we waiting for? Ejike. Get married and start having your own family.
Okay, Mama. I've heard what you said. Later, we are going to discuss all of this in details, okay? But for now, I am still busy. Please, Biko normal.
Ain't happy phone. Ain't happy. Mommy here one ain't happy. I don't know what you are pressing there, but whatever it is, I know you have heard me, and I know you will do something about it. So I will go so that I will not disturb you.
Yes, Mama.
Think about it.
Mama, I said we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Please, just go. Let me continue.
I know you will make your mother happy. I'm going. I don't want to disturb you.
Okay.
Take care, my son.
Mama.
Mama. I'm okay.
coffee is ready.
Put it there. Go there. Sit down. I want all the maidens, and indeed everybody in this palace, brought here immediately.
Father, I have talked to virtually everyone in the palace. Nobody seems to know our whereabouts.
This is the second time a maiden is disappearing in this palace. Eh?
Second time.
Yes.
My queen, I suspect she may have run away.
No, that's not possible. There is no way she could have left this palace without anyone seeing her. The first maiden that left, did she also run away?
Father, a stitch in time, they say, saves 9. If this kind of mysterious incident keeps occurring, well, that means we're all in trouble in this palace.
Well, get to the area command then, and have them search diligently for this girl. She must be found.
Ebere, Ngozi, I am so scared to my woman. I am very scared. Wait, why will our colleagues be missing in this palace like that? Why?
I want both of you to understand that this palace knows what happened to Ada and the first maiden that disappeared from here.
Ebele, be very careful. Look at the ones, they have ears.
Let the ones have ears. This morning, before Ada took that morning tea to the Igwe, she told me, and she never returned.
Wait a minute. Are you very sure with what you're saying? Are you very sure? Oh, that means the Igwe knows what happened to her. The Igwe knows it, about that.
Ifoma, do not quote me anywhere. I'm only giving you information.
My king, don't you think you should take a trip down to Umuetiti? You have to talk to Chief Omekago. He's your childhood friend. Find out from him why he suddenly turned against you.
Omekago is daring me. But I do not need to hide in shooting a bush baby. Because bush baby. What's that?
I don't know.
What's that noise?
Your Highness.
Yes, come here, my friend. What is it?
They are the youth of this kingdom. They are here to see you.
Let them in.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness, the people of Umwe Titi, they ambushed us at Umwe Titi land. They killed all of our men and made away with their bodies. Right now they have taken over Umwe Titi land and we narrowly escaped.
Eh? Hey.
Omekago sent his men and they did this! Yes. This to you!
They did this to me, Igwe.
Omekago, if a child disturbs the sleep of Eronganga the bird, Eronganga will in turn distract the child from running errands for his mother. Bitten more than you can chew.
The number of youths that have lost their life to this fight with Umwetiti is getting out of hand. I think you should talk to your father. I believe he can put a stop to it.
My father is not a coward. He will not let Omekago take what belongs to this land, this kingdom of Oji. Never.
Francis, people are losing their lives, I said. People are dying, people's children.
It's normal. It's called patriotism. They're simply laying down their lives to protect their fatherland. It's very normal. It happens everywhere in the world.
No, Francis, it's very, very unfair. I believe dialoguing this thing out will help everybody in the situation. Dialogue.
Dialogue with who? Omekago. That's not possible. Nobody can dialogue with him. Omekago will pay dearly for everything he has done. Has he not disrupted the Osusu festival? You want him to go scot-free? Never. I say it again, never. He will pay. He will pay.
Wow, Collins. So you say you have been around for 3 weeks now?
Yeah, oh yeah, I came in 3 weeks ago. Oh my goodness. You are looking so beautiful and big.
Are you serious? Thank you very much. Wow, I never knew I could meet someone like you again. After your NYS, you just vanished like that.
Tina, I'm sorry. I never planned it that way. I never knew it would happen that way.
Well, the most important thing is that God has made it possible for us to see again.
Yes.
I'm so happy to see.
Thank you. Tina, where is your friend Cassandra? Where is she now? I really want to see her.
I've not really heard from her.
Are you trying to tell me that you have not seen your best friend ever since the both of you left school? Oh, come on.
No, I don't. We lost contact.
Are you trying to say you don't have a phone number?
Listen, I lost my handset and I couldn't do the welcome back.
And you have not visited her ever since then?
I don't know her place.
How can you say that? I thought you know her town.
What am I going to do now? Do I tell him the truth? It might hurt his feelings. I warned Cassandra about this. I knew he must surely come back for her.
Cassandra, what happened to you? I've been looking for you everywhere.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Collins. Please forgive me.
Okay, you did nothing wrong to me. I'm here for you, okay? I'll take care of you.
I can't stay here. I have to go. I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
Cassandra! Cassandra, please come back. I love you. Cassandra. It's a dream. What's the meaning of this?
Yeah, hello? Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you. Please, can we meet at that restaurant? Yes, right now. I'm dressing up already. Okay. Okay.
So, Tina, when I woke up, I tried my best to comprehend the meaning of that dream, but I couldn't.
Maybe you were thinking about her all day.
I can't tell. Tina, to be frank with you, from that moment on, I have not been myself. Tina, please, tell me, why did you ask to see me?
It's about Cassandra.
Really? Please, Tina, tell me. I know you're hiding something from me. Please tell me everything you're hiding about Cassandra, please.
Well, I know someone that can lead you to her.
So, where can I find him or her?
Inside here.
You're not ready?
No, but I'll be done in 5 minutes. I'm almost done.
Good afternoon. Please, I am looking for someone. Her name is Cassandra. Please, can you let me get to her?
I can't possibly let you because I don't know who you are.
I was told by her friend that she lives here.
Is she one of the medics?
I can't tell, but someone told me she lives here, please. Just help me. Assist me, please.
Alright, we'll wait for you outside.
Okay.
We're already running late and you know that.
Please, I want to take you
She lives here!
I know you are connected to Ini.
Hey, what is going on?
Wait!
can say what you like, but I'm not listening. Oh, my mind's made up, I know what I'm doing. Oh, she touched my heart, oh, in a special way. Oh, I won't give in, I won't give up, can't let her go away. Oh, she's mine, that girl is mine. She blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine, that girl is mine. She blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine, that girl is mine. She blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine, that girl is mine. She blows my mind, she looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine. That girl is mine. She blows my mind. She looks so fine. The girl is mine.
You ingrate.
What have I done to you now?
You're asking me? You better wipe those crocodile tears from your eyes before I kill you with my bare hands!
Francis! Why are you acting this way? Why?
How did that bastard know that you're here? Huh? Who told him you're here in this palace?
I swear I don't even know!
You liar! You are having a secret affair with him.
Francis!
And I will hit you again if you call my name! The king will hear this.
Collins! Collins, please open the door. It's your mother.
Mother, please, I want to be left alone. Please go away.
Collins! I said open the door, please. It's very important. It's
Mama, I
very
said go!
important.
I said go, please! Go! What is Cassandra doing in that palace with that beast called Francis? What is she doing there? Hello, Tina, are you there?
Sorry, I didn't know how to tell you.
How to tell me what?
I didn't know how to break the news to you.
What news are you talking about? Hello, Tina, talk to me. Are you there?
Hello.
Tina, talk to me.
Cassandra got married to Prince Francis 3 years ago. A year after both of you lost contact.
And who owns the little boy with Cassandra? Tina, talk to me! Who owns the little boy with Cassandra?
The little boy is the product of their union. The only child so far. Hello, Collins. What is all this? Eh? What have I gotten myself into? I should have insisted that I know nothing about Cassandra's whereabouts. Now, what have I gotten myself into? Hey.
I met her in the university when I was in my second year. And at that time, she was a first-year student. I never had another girlfriend. Because she meant the world to me. She meant everything to me.
Hi. Hi. Good day. Please, I'm looking for the HOD's office.
Okay, are you a new student?
Yes.
All right, come, let me show you to.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
My dear, that is what they normally do. Don't worry, you'll see him soon.
All right, just I'm in the haze.
Okay.
Hey.
What is this really?
Stand there. Said I want to talk to you.
Well, I do not want to be talked to, especially by you.
Give me 2 minutes.
I do not have 2 minutes. Let go of me.
Hey, what's your...
Hey.
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine. How's lectures?
Very well.
I didn't know you recognized me.
And why won't I recognize you?
And who is he?
I don't know him. He just keeps following me about like a dog in heat.
That might be okay. That is how they go about disturbing new students.
Yeah?
By the way, I'm going for lunch. Would you mind if I ask you to join me?
Sure.
Okay, this way.
Let's go. You know that guy that was following me about the other day?
The one you said his name is Francis.
Mm-hmm. So yesterday he shows up in my room unannounced. And then he begins to blab a lot of nonsense, like how I am dating a broke-ass boy who cannot even take care of me and how much I deserve better, and I don't even know how he got to know my room.
So what does he want from you?
What else will he want? If not friendship, he wants to date me. The only reason I opened the door for him is because when I heard the knock on the door, I thought it was you.
You must be foolish. Please do not listen to him. Okay?
No, I won't. That's for sure.
So you listen up here.
What is it?
I see you're the one deceiving this chick. Stay away from her. Else I will chase you out of this school.
You cannot do anything to me. Friendship is not by force.
Really?
Alright. Don't say I didn't warn you.
It just shows up everywhere.
So this is what I have here. Cassie, I was thinking of going home tomorrow to see if I can raise some money for my school fees.
And what will now happen to your lectures?
I have no choice. I have no choice because my results are yet to be computerized because of that.
Wow. How much do you need?
I don't understand.
I asked, how much do you need to sort yourself out? I mean, I have some money that I have no use for now. I can give it to you so you pay your fees and stay in school. You need to be in school at this period. And again, what are friends for?
Cassie, thank you. I really don't know what to say again. You're so kind to me. Thank you very much. I promise I will never let you down.
I trust you.
Let me make tea for you. That's the only thing I have now. Let me just, please, just manage it.
Come in.
Hello.
Hey! Collins, welcome. Welcome. I'm fine. Welcome.
You look good.
Thank you.
Are you people going out?
Yes, today is Tina's birthday, so she's taking me out.
Beautiful. So I'm happy to be here at this hour. Tina, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. But you can join us if you don't mind.
As you can see, I have no choice. But am I free to go?
Yeah, you look good. Let's go.
Serious?
Yeah. It's your birthday, views on you.
Yes, yeah. I'm ready.
You are really out to spoil us this night. This is good.
But of course, she's a big girl. She may not be as loud as most students are, but we definitely know she's a big girl.
Cars. I started again. Me a big girl. I'm not a big girl, don't mind that.
Are you not a big girl? You want to deny it now?
Whatever. I'm enjoying myself here.
Enjoy yourself very well. It's my day.
Yes, it's your day.
More drinks?
Oh.
I would like to have a word with you outside. I would like to have a word with you outside.
Why won't you leave me alone? Leave me alone, Francis. I do not want to have a word with you. Not in here, not even outside. Now you may get lost.
My guy, you heard her. You heard her sound and clear. She said, leave her alone. And if you don't mind, please leave our table now.
And if I don't?
I will make you regret it. If you don't leave, I will make you regret it.
You will make me regret it.
Police! Hey! Police!
Jesus!
Make sure you eat your food so you can take your drugs.
Thank you for the food and the drugs. And please don't forget to go to my department and tell my cross rep what happened in case there is any test. Please.
You have nothing to worry about. I'll tell him. I have to hurry now. I'm really bringing them from my letters. Take it. I'll see you soon.
Officer, that's him. Arrest him.
Arrest who? You are the one that broke my head and you went ahead to call the police for me?
Officer, arrest this man.
Gentlemen, you are under arrest. And you have the right to remain silent. For whatever you do or say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Please, officer. Please, can I at least eat my food and take my drugs, please?
Alright, do that fast.
What is it? You're reading. Are you telling me you're not aware of what happened? What happened? I was told by a friend that Francis took a policeman to Collins' hostel and arrested him. Collins is now in a police custody. What? Oh my God! What police station is that? Central Police Station. Hi. Say something, please. Cassandra. Cassandra, talk to me. I'm your friend. What is the problem? Please. Cassandra, talk to me, please. I beg you. Why are you doing this? Thank God you're here.
Baby, what happened to you? Talk to me. Tina, what happened to her?
I don't know. I've been asking her since I came in.
What is the problem? What happened?
Talk to us. Please. He was here.
Who? Tina, what is she talking about?
I don't know. Tell us, please. Talk to us.
Who was here, baby?
He
tried to rape me.
What? Tina, did you hear that? Francis was here and he tried to rape her! Jesus! Jesus! Oh my God.
Oh wow. That baby fall my hand from this campus. I don't know anything a warrior. Babe, chop my money, she don't want chop. Don't even know what she's doing with that psycho, that popper.
Francis, for this campus, that girl must submit to you. And they tell you.
Francis, you think you can do anything you want on this campus and get away with it? I tell you, you're a big liar. You are lying. And let me tell you, this time around, you will get away with it. You won't go free. See, I'm not here for a joke. I'm not here for a joke. I will not allow you. Never will you. Never.
So it's true. So I'm right after all. Tina, I thought you were my friend. So it is you. It's you who's been feeding him all that nonsense about me. What was in it for you? What? You thought you could gain your way into his heart? You know what you are, Tina? You are nothing. Nothing but a traitor.
Oh no, she is not. She is not a traitor. You are the worst traitor I've ever seen. How dare you betray me?
Huh? Betray you? Look who is talking about betrayal. You that abandoned me when I needed you the most? Between you and I, Collins, who is the betrayer? Who?
You, Cassandra. You betrayed me. Or is it because he's a prince? Is it because he's a prince?
Don't be silly, Collins. You forced me into that marriage. Does he even have an inkling what I went through because of him? Does he?
Cassandra, you slapped me.
And I would do it 1,000 times over if I have to. Nonsense. And as for you, you and I, we are done. Done! Stay out of my paths.
Cassandra! I am coming for my son. I am coming to grab my son!